Microneedling, also known as collagen induction therapy, is a procedure that was used only in a dermatologist's office. The purpose of this procedure was to achieve younger, smoother, clearer-looking skin. It became popular because of the results it delivered with little recovery time and is not as invasive as other procedures like chemical peels, dermabrasion, laser resurfacing, and more. In-office cost of microneedling can range from $200 to $700 a session, and requiring 3 to 6 visits for optimal results. With devices like Dermaroller, a form of microneedling, this procedure can be done at home for a lot less. What is a Dermaroller? A Dermaroller is a handheld mini wheel covered in sterile tiny needles used to create microscopic controlled skin injuries. Dermarollers are designed with needle depths varying from 0.5 to 2 mm. The chart below is a guideline in needle depth used to treat specific issues. How does it work? Dermarolling works by rolling the device over your face or body and inserting the tiny needles into your skin. This process creates microscopic wounds in the skin that triggers the body's natural healing process, which stimulates collagen and elastin production and new blood vessels to form. Benefits of dermarolling. Transdermal absorption. Dermarolling creates microchannels to allow better absorption of skincare products, increasing their effectiveness. Wrinkles. Collagen and elastin production are stimulated with the use of a dermaroller to help skin naturally fill in wrinkles. Hyperpigmentation. Dermarolling helps to lighten hyperpigmentation by breaking up melanin clusters. It also allows the skin to absorb treatment products better to improve results. Scars. It stimulates the repair process by immediately boosting the production of more collagen. The increase in collagen and elastin production helps with repairing skin irregularities. Stretch marks. The appearance of stretch marks can improve with the use of a dermaroller by stimulating collagen production and enhancing absorption of stretch mark treatment products. How to use a dermaroller. Step 1. Disinfect the dermaroller with a cosmetic alcohol spray. Step 2. Cleanse and tone your skin. Step 3. Apply numbing cream if needed. Step 4. Using even, gentle movements, guide the roller across the skin in one direction 6 to 8 times, always lifting off the skin before going over the area again. You will want to repeat the steps vertically, horizontally, and diagonally on each section of the face. Step 4. Apply a repairing serum or your usual skincare routine. Step 5. Disinfect the derma roller with rubbing alcohol.